Jai Hind everyone, and I, Ujjwal Chuk, author, founder, How to Crack SSB, welcome all of you once again to the channel. And this is the OLQ podcast series in which I will going to touch each and every OLQ in upcoming episodes. We will going to get into the detailed insight of every OLQ so that you can actually make that OLQ as a part of your personality. Just go with the episodes, and I'm sure that this will going to give you a very strong knowledge, understanding to inculcate that officer-like quality within your personality. So till now, if you have not subscribed the channel, go forward, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that for all the upcoming episodes, for all the upcoming videos and the podcast on officer-like quality, you must get the automatic notification.
So the next very important officer-like quality is determination, which is one of the most important asset of an officer, and rather I can say a most important asset of any leader or any successful person or any person who is trying to be less ordinary or who is actually less ordinary. So determination is something which makes you and converts you from ordinary to less ordinary. So basically determination is that bridge which helps you to start from ordinary and to go to less ordinary. So it's like this is ordinary, this is less ordinary, and determination is this bridge. The moment you sustain yourself on this bridge, you will definitely going to touch the second end of the bridge, and that is less ordinariness, which is, yes, a very important asset for an officer. So determination, very simple, everyone talks about it. So determination is something which simply means आपका दृढ़ निष्कल्प. आपने एक चीज ठान ली कि मुझे ये करना है तो करना है. I'm determined to do it means I'm determined to do it. Two very important aspects which I would like to touch here is there are people. So determination also has two important dimensions to it, and you need to understand as an intelligent person, if you're trying to really be truly determined, and that too determined in a way which makes you lead to that less ordinary end. Because at times what happens is one dimension of determination is true determination, and one dimension of determination is what we call as not a determination, but rather it is more of a hallucination that we are determined, which is called as getting stubborn or ziddi ban jana, to which also at times we name it as determination. Always remember one thing, true determination is all about that you do not change your destination goal, but you always and at every point of time you self-assess yourself. That means true determination का मतलब है कि मुझे जहां पहुंचना है और जो बनना है वो तो मैं बन के रहूंगा, मगर क्योंकि मुझे वो बनना है और वहां पर पहुंचना है, so for that I will not going to change my goal, but yes, I really want to achieve and I really want to be there. So for that, I will keep on assessing myself because I truly want to be there. मैं चाहता हूं मैं वहां पहुंचूं, इसलिए मैं हर कष्ट, हर चीज का सामना करने को तैयार हूं, but I want to be there. So for that, I will keep on assessing myself. That means I'll look myself in the mirror and I'll see whatever I'm doing, the way I'm going, the path I'm following, is it right or wrong, or it needs a shift, or it needs a guidance, or it needs something, so that by any chance if I'm getting derailed, I should be back on the track, or I should get the right guidance, so that that particular goal and destination which will take more time to reach, I can reach in a less time with just a guidance and with a smart work. This is what is called as a true determination. What is the second dimension, which is not a true determination, which looks like a determination, more of an hallucination, और जिसको मैंने कहा becoming stubborn or ziddi. So at times what I've seen is people take a decision in their life and they're too egoistic and they're too self-centered. So they always have this particular thing कि भैया मैंने करा ना डिसीजन, मैंने लिया है जो भी है, so I'm determined, मैं इसको करूंगा, गलत हुआ ना कोई नहीं, मैं नहीं हटूंगा. At this particular point of time, these are the people who are least receptive and their receptivity is gone. Now they don't want to listen to anyone. They don't want any mentor. They don't want anyone to speak. The only thing they know is कि मेरा डिसीजन था, मैं झेलूंगा और मैं determined हूं, मेरी विल पावर बड़ी स्ट्रांग है, मैं इसको नहीं छोड़ूंगा. Now here I want to tell all such people that this is not a determination. Rather, this is being stubborn, ziddi, and this is more of your ego and self-centeredness, which is not letting you accept that you are on the wrong track or you have chosen a wrong track, which will not going to take you to the destination and a goal which you keep on uttering in your words that I want to do this in my life, I want to be here in my life. So, first of all, to all the viewers, please do a self-assessment of yourself that if you are determined, then are you truly determined or it's more of a fake determination which is more of a hallucination और आपकी अपनी जिद तो नहीं है. And secondly, the ones who are not determined, जो कहते हैं यार हम शुरू करते हैं and then we after some time if result is not there we leave it, हम छोड़ देते हैं, अब नहीं हो पाता. In both the cases, the way to keep yourself determined, which will going to increase your willpower and will not going to make you derail from your path. That is the one master goal is do what you truly love to do. Because when you do what you truly love to do, that gives you the true determination. Because in life, when you start something, let me tell you, there's a very scientific success cycle of this nature. So it's like you start something, nature pulls you down. You start something, it pulls you down. You start something, it pulls you down. The nature and the vibration surrounding you, the subtle vibe sees that you are very strong and determined. So they'll make your stepping stone move forward. Go ahead. ठीक है यार, बंदा बहुत जान लगा के लगाओ. Then you keep on doing things you do. Then you start, you are pulled back. You start, you pulled back. Likewise, you keep on climbing down. Now what happens in everyone's life, after a particular time, a point comes in when you cross this bridge or when you sustain this bridge, and when that feeling of truly becoming a less ordinary comes within you, then everyone actually looks and hunts for the ultimate success, for being to bring himself or herself to that ultimate point. It could be anything. It could be your normal civilian life. It could be even your forces. अब फौज में जो चला गया उसका क्या रहता है? I should be I should earn the honor. I should be the Paramveer Chakra, Sena Medal, Vishish Sena Medal. I should get all those pride and courage. I should do so many things for my country. So you always want to touch the extreme dimension in that area, be it our forces, entrepreneurship, civilian life, whatever it is. So nature will keep on testing you. You'll climb down. A point will come when you will be very near to your success. And that is a point when nature will going to hit you so hard on your head with a brick just to see that you are still determined or not. तो एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा when no one will going to support you, you will going to go bankrupt, you will have everyone surrounding you with the only saying कि बस कर ली, चला ली अपनी, अब कुछ नहीं हो रहा ना. So things like this will going to come and you have to face that. This is a point when if you really sustain and if you keep yourself determined, then automatically a push will going to come and you will going to move forward to touch that extreme. तो ये वाला जो टाइम होता है ना, इस टाइम पे आप डिटरमाइंड तभी रह सकते हो, और इससे पहले भी और ये वाले में तो दिस इज अ मैंडेटरी थिंग. You can always only keep yourself determined when you choose something which you really love to do. For example, I'll give you an example. जैसे आपने देखा है ना, वो हमारे सोसाइटी में एक इंटरकास्ट मैरिज होती थी, तो एक इंटरकास्ट लड़का और लड़की आपस में दे प्लान टू गेट मैरिड एंड बहुत उनकी फैमिली वाले दे वर वेरी ऑर्थोडॉक्स और बहुत कट्टर थे, तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं शादी होगी. तो लड़का क्या कहता है, मैं मर जाऊंगा मिट जाऊंगा बट शादी तो इसी से करूंगा. So what is that thing which is letting that boy go against every energy, every word that is coming in this surrounding, and that is the love for that particular thing. So in the same way, if you choose something which you truly love to do, you will right from the beginning, you will going to keep, and your determination will going to be there till the time you touch the epitome and the ultimate of that dimension. That is the very basis of determination, how you can keep yourself determined. And most importantly, please focus to keep yourself truly determined, not in any fake determination or in any hallucination, as I've already discussed and stated.
And I'm sure that you must have got the powerful learnings from this podcast, from this video. Now, what I want you to do here is just go forward and below in the comment box below this video, write your top 3 learnings that you have learned from this detailed podcast. And I'm sure you must have learned a lot of things. Just write the crux top 3 learnings. And I'll personally going to review the same and I'll going to reply back onto it. All right. And I'm sure that a lot of people who are watching this podcast, who are watching this video, and a lot of them, you are the part of the How to Crack SSB family only, the How to Crack SSB community, and a lot of you might not be a part of it. But this podcast series is just to give you those detailed insights about the officer-like quality. And the ones who are already a part of How to Crack SSB transformational journey as a part of the family, they must be knowing that they are already going with a transformational experience, as they're talking to me live every week, and I'm keep on getting their comments and I can see the change coming within them. All those who are new to this channel or the ones who are not the part of the community right now, if you really desire to have that experience, if you really want to get that transformation within yourself in order to start your successful SSB recommendation journey. So here I have a great thing for all of you. Below in the description, there is a link to my free webinar. Click on the link, register for the webinar. And in that webinar, I would going to share the top 3 secrets for SSB recommendation. And also I would going to give you an insights of SSB recommendation blueprint program course journey. Once you will see that transformational program, trust me, you will be blown off. Your mind will be blown off. And every week, lot of aspirants are joining this journey. They are enrolling them and they are getting that transformation, and they're getting that current of 10,000 volt while they're going with this journey. So if you are committed for Indian Armed Forces, you are committed to bring that non-uniform officer within yourself, if you are committed to bring that transformation within yourself. So here, catch the opportunity, go forward, register for the webinar, and I'll be there in the webinar. And in the webinar, all of you who are really serious, let me guarantee you that I would going to show you something. After watching that, you will not be able to resist yourself, and you will definitely going to go forward and become a part of that particular journey. So I will also going to give you some special privileges within the webinar. So just go forward and register for it, and I'll catch you guys over there. And till now, if you have not subscribed the channel, just go forward, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you must get the notification for further podcast and the videos. And also, if you really have liked this podcast and the video, please go forward, click on the like video and Just share the link of this video on your social media even with other aspirants to whom you are connected so that this can benefit to everyone. Because I am on the mission along with the team of How to Crack SSB and the Veteran. We are on a mission to create 100,000 officers, channelize 100,000 youth to become the officers in Indian Armed Forces. So I want you to see and I want you to be a part of that mission. So go forward. Have a great learning, keep sharing the great thing and register for the webinar and start your recommendation journey. Bye-bye, thank you, take care and I really love you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.